Folks, how are you doing? Shane the Shark Man, aka Shane SPennebaker, here at BISH'S RV on this soggy, foggy, beautiful day in Junction City, Oregon. I'm at the most amazing dealership on the planet, BISH'S RV. Come on over, folks. We're going to take a look at this beautiful beast. It's a beauty beast. The Dutch Star 2022. This model is the 4328 diesel. And I'll tell you what, it starts out just amazing. I mean, you can't go wrong. This is the cream of the crop. Newmar makes an outstanding product anyway, but you want something like this, you come see the Shark Man. I'll get you hook, line, and sinker, I'm telling you. This is a beautiful, beautiful unit. Full body paint. This is the 4328. Look at this. This is something worth bragging about to everyone you ever met in life. This thing is just gorgeous. You start out with the storage, definitely. You could even put a fridge freezer in there if you wanted to. It's got the electricity hookups for it. And then you can invite me when you go on your first trip. We could get lots of cold adult beverages or pop. Anyway, also, full slide tray. This sucker comes all the way out. And instead of having to reach in there and squirm back in there like a worm, you just pull it out and load it up, and you're ready to go. Then you slide it back in, and off you go on your trip. Beautiful, beautiful motorhome. All this storage is necessary. Plus, you've got your slide outs with slide toppers, armor plated. So I'm telling you, this is a quality motorhome. All Newmars are. Anything we sell is. Egress door, it's kind of an escape door in case something happens and you're in a restroom, you need to get out real quick, that's the way to go. Look at this, gorgeous. You've got the 360 view on your cameras as well. Camera here for your backup, camera here to check out everything else in back of you in traffic. Look at this gorgeous setup. I mean, all set up for towing. Air Force One tow package on there. And you come on down to this side, you've got a full wall slide. This is just one of the best features because it opens up the motorhome completely. So you go from the small width you have, it's not a lot of room, 5 or 6 feet, to a full 8 feet. It pulls it out. Plus you've got all of your storage down here. You've got a wet bay, of course, in there. If I had time, I could spend all day telling you about this thing. It's gorgeous. But I'll tell you what, let's get inside and check out what I meant by cream of the crop. Okay, easy step up, not real high, even for me, and I'm old. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say old, I mean seasoned. Folks, I gotta say, just feast your eyes, literally feast your eyes on this. This is shiny. I mean, look at that. Look at that table. The dining setup pulls out. You can have a leaf in there, which is in the back. I mean, the decor is amazing. When you come around here, look, you've got the theater seating. Got a love seat over here with a televator. Push of a button, comes right up. You can watch your favorite programs. Cockpit is gorgeous. Plenty of room up there. You even got a TV up there. I mean, come on, folks. You can't go wrong with this. You just can't. There's no way. Okay, so I'm going to take you back here. We're going to check out the Galley. See, this is something that you really don't see in high quality or low quality. You've got your induction top. Look at that. Boom. Whirlpool microwave. And let me guess. Dishwasher. Look at that. Double sink. Gooseneck. That's gorgeous. Whirlpool refrigerator, freezer. Ice maker. Water dispenser. I mean, it's got the works. And look at this. All these pull out, it's lighted. Well, there you go. Well, that was easy. Got to figure it out. Anyway, I'll tell you what, folks. This is something that you would definitely want to keep and have. Then you got your guest bathroom here. Look at that. It's gorgeous in there. Touchpad on the wall. As you're coming back, you've got yet another nice size TV in here. Wardrobes on the side. Plenty of storage for your belongings, your drawers, your sock drawer, anything else. And just check this out too. You've got a king size bed, comfortable sleeping area. But wait, there's more. You have got to look at this bathroom. I'm going to get out of the way here, or else I could spend all day in here. You've got the washer dryer setup. You could literally live in this. and check out that shower with a bench. Holds a lot of weight, and I don't know if it would hold me, but I'll give it a shot. I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous, folks. The decor, the room. Look at this. You've got a safe back there to keep your belongings in. I mean, this is one of the cream of the crop. Definitely worth owning, Ed. You can come out here, talk to me, Shane the Shark Man. If you want to check it out, we can take it for a spin. Heck, we might even go to the coast just for the day to, you know, I'm kidding. I wish they'd let me do that. Folks, you got to come out and check it out. This is gorgeous. And the only place you're going to see something this nice is right here at BISH'S RV in Junction City. Come look up Shane the Shark Man. I'll treat you right. And that's a promise.